4 apps that will pay you instantly for doing simple tasks with either your phone or your computer. So if you're looking for easy way to make money with zero investment, you can do simple tasks with your phone, and you're looking for easy way to make money, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you 4 of these amazing apps and websites where you can do simple basic tasks and get paid instantly once you reach the threshold. Hey, I added a bonus for you, and the bonus is my favorite because I didn't just talk about it, I demonstrated how it is done, plus how you can create account on this site. So you want to look out for the bonus. Now, these are apps and sites people I know very well are using to make money from the comfort of their homes. So it works. From their testimonials, once you reach the threshold, which is the minimum amount of money you need to make from each of these sites to get paid, you request your payment, and in few minutes, you get your money delivered to you. So you don't have to wait for days, weeks, or even months to get paid like other apps out there. These are 4 legit apps and sites I selected from the list. I've done my research and found them legit. However, it's your responsibility to do further research before you venture into any of them. With that said, let's dive in. What's up, family? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money and how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 sites and apps. I will talk about various tasks you can do to make money from this app. I will equally talk about their payment threshold as well as their payment methods. So the first site that will pay you instantly for doing simple tasks is Enably. Enably has low payout threshold, and the threshold is just $1. So once you earn up to $1, you can withdraw your money from this website. It also has fast payments, and here are various tasks you can take on this website and get paid instantly. Watching videos, you can also take surveys as well as do other simple tasks, and you get paid for doing all of these things. And the best part is you can do most of these things with your mobile phone. So even if you don't have a computer, there's no excuse because you can do tasks on Enably and get paid for that. The second app on my list is Superpayme. I love Superpayme. There are a lot of things you can do on this site to get paid, and of course you can do most of them with your mobile phone. So on Superpayme, you get paid for taking online surveys, for downloading apps, for playing games, and even referring your friends. Superpayme has a wonderful referral program. Referral is one of the easiest way to make money online doing almost nothing. It looks like I'm going to make a full video on how to make money just telling people about websites and apps, and then you get paid doing almost nothing. If it's something you would like to learn, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video and also make a list of websites where you can refer people and get paid. Superpayme can pay you via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and the rest of them. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you don't have to worry because there are many payout options you can select from apart from PayPal. Third on my list is this. Now, as you can see on this side, there's so much you can do to make money, and the good thing is you get paid instantly as soon as you're done taking the task. You can do surveys, you can watch videos and get paid. You can also do shopping online. That means you can actually shop online and get paid. However, not all these options are open to all countries. There are countries that you live in, you will not be able to earn from shopping online as well as searching the web. Payout threshold is $1. So to make $1 from this site, you can request payment and get paid instantly. Now, the fourth site that will pay you instantly is Offer Nation. Offer Nation has a very low payout threshold, which is $1. So with $1, you can cash out your money from this site. It also has a lot of payout options, so you don't have to worry so much if you don't have a PayPal account. And finally, they pay in few minutes. It's one of the fastest paying apps out there. Just to request your payment, in few minutes, you get your money delivered to you. Now, did you get value from this video? I would like you to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you've not done that. Share it with your family and friends to see this video to learn apps that pay instantly. So the first site on my list is Instatagc. One amazing thing about Instatagc is that there are lots of tasks you can complete here and get paid for doing that. Let's look at the site. So you see a lot of things you can do on this site to make money. This is Instatagc. It says digital gift card received instantly. Now, when you do tasks on this platform, you get gift card, which you can convert to money and then get paid. You can sign up with your Facebook account, Twitter, or just use your email address. To sign up, just click on this, supply your username, password, and other things. Create account. It says endpoint for things you already do online. All right, so you no longer do all those online stores for free. You're completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. These are basic things you do on a daily basis for free. You get paid for doing all of this now once you join this platform. And like I said, they also have a referral program, which is a good one. Did you get value from this video? I would like you to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends and someone on your list who needs to see this video to learn apps that pay instantly and get started immediately. See you in my next video. Bye.